Hello there mathletes, welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential function. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f of x equals a times e to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants, is defined. The table shows values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statements is true? X equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So x values are increasing. F of x 10, 50, 250, 1250, and 6250. So f of x values are also increasing. So this must be a growth function. So we can go ahead and eliminate the choice A and C. So let's find the values. So let's use f0 now. A times b to the power of 0 is given as 10. So a times 1 is 10. So a is 10. What about the second data, f1? f1 is a times b to the power of 1 is 50. A's, we know that it's 10 times b is 50. If you will divide both sides by 10, you will see that b is 5. So b is greater than 1. So therefore, the correct answer is choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.